everyone, Claudia Owen here. Today we're going to be doing a few simple exercises to strengthen the wrists. As a Pilates instructor, sometimes we see people having difficulties doing their planks, for example, on their hands. It's kind of hard for certain people to really hold the weight of their bodies on their wrists. So I'm going to be showing some exercises that will be able to help with that and strengthen the muscles. I mean, between the hand and our forearms, we have about 18 muscles. So it's super important to strengthen those muscles. If you have any particular condition, if you were in an accident and you injured your wrist, please talk to your doctor before you proceed with these exercises. Same for carpal tunnel syndrome. Please discuss with your doctor first if these exercises might be safe for you. If you don't have any particular condition and you would like to work on these muscles and try these exercises to keep those muscles stronger so it's easier for you to exercise and perform daily activities, let's try it. So basically what we're going to use, if you have some dumbbells, depending on how weak your wrists or your muscles are, you want to start with something light. So I would recommend a 2-pound weight. If you feel that a 2-pound weight is kind of easy and you want to go a little bit heavier, you can use a 3-pound weight. If you don't have hand weights at home, other options, check and see what you have at your house. You might use, pasta sauce. You might use water bottles. I have a bottle of olive oil here that can help as well. So take a look and see what you have. Something, 2 pounds or even 1 pound if your wrists are super sensitive, 1 pound, 2 pounds, or 3 pounds. Another choice, if you happen to have it at home, a TheraBand. I'm going to show you another option to do the same exercises using a TheraBand. So let's get started. I'm going to start with a 2-pound weight. So basically, place your forearm on a table. I'm using my kitchen island, and have your wrist and your hand off that surface. So let's have our palm facing up for this one, and basically you're gonna flex your wrist and you're gonna extend it. You're gonna flex and extend. So keep your palm facing up for this first one. Once again, if you feel that your wrists are not that weak and you can go a little bit heavier, you can grab a 3-pound weight. And then same thing, try to go for 10 reps with your palm facing up. So we'll finish here with 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're gonna flip the palm down, and same thing, you're gonna bend and extend your wrist. If you can do this exercise every day. Maybe when you're watching TV, you want to place your hand on top or your forearm on top of a coffee table. It's another option. So something you can do while you're watching TV. Few reps like this. So ideally you want to aim for 10 reps with the palm facing up and with the palm facing down. And we're going to repeat the similar motion. This time have your palm facing to the side. And here we're going to work with bending the wrist side to side. So once again, if you're using a can, same thing. It's same movement. So just working with what you have at home basically. Bottle, same thing. Just be careful. Be careful so you don't drop that bottle. And if you have the weight, return to the weight. So let's recap. So you're going to start with the palm facing up, do 10 reps bending and extending your wrist. Then with the palm facing down, bending and extending. And then you're going to work by bending the wrist up and down with your palm facing to the side. 10 reps like that. This is something you can actually do twice a day. If you don't have time, once a day will be better than nothing for sure. All right, another option here, if you have a TheraBand and you don't have a hand brace at home, you can actually grab a TheraBand, you can step on it, and then you have, let's say you have equal sides of the band in your hands. So let's start with the wrist. Let's start with the palm facing out to the side. So here, same thing. And here basically you can create the tension that it's doable. If by any chance you feel any pain, stop. If you don't feel any pain, if you just feel the pressure, that's fine. Any pain, you stop the movement. If this is too much, you can use only one side of the band and then you go up and down. Again, try for 10 reps. Then you're gonna wrap it around your hand like this. Wrap it around your hand. And then same movement we did with the dumbbell or the bottle. You're gonna bend and extend the wrist. You're gonna flex and extend 10 times here. And you will see that you not only feel the muscles around your wrist, but you're gonna feel all the muscles that are connected to it, which are the muscles in your forearm. Then you flip your palm up and same thing. So again, if you wanna make it heavier, you can actually attach both parts of the band and then you do that movement, flexing and extending your wrist. If this is too much, just drop one side of the band and then you work with one side of the band only. And I can certainly feel, and I not only feel the muscles of my forearm, I feel my biceps as well, just by bending and extending the wrist. So, recap, you're gonna have the palm facing down, and you're gonna bend and extend your wrist. Try to go for 10 reps. And then you're gonna flip your palm up. You can do it with the fingers bent, but not like, you know, putting tension in your fingers. You can keep your fingers extended actually and relaxed. 10 reps with the palm facing up. And then palm facing to the side. You go up and down. Create the resistance that is right for you. If you can take more tension, go for it. And then side to side. Okay, I hope this helps. Once again, any chronic condition, please talk to your doctor before you perform these exercises. If you don't have any particular condition and you want to strengthen the muscles to make it easier for you when you exercise, this might be the option for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and I'll see you guys later. Take care. Be safe and healthy.